ndikuudza chokwadi.
Yeah.
Ndakanyenga Volts.
3, 2, 1.
Hey chit fam, welcome back to another hot episode with Ash, guys. Yo Pariku Pisa, guys. I'm very sorry to be late, I forgot to record this video last night, but anyway, guys, Holy 10. How many times did I call you? Why you're embarrassing your wife in front of the whole world? Why you are doing that? That girl is so beautiful and she's someone who is very calm and akachila. Why you're doing that? Welcome back to my channel, guys. Please subscribe. Let me know what you think. Let me know, guys. But yay, Pariku Pisa, Holy 10 arikwa ola akanyadzisa mukadzi wake Kimberly achitaiwa Ndakanyenga Volts. Kim ndakumunyenga ndaimuda, but ndakamunyenga because ndada kuradza Volts kuti ndiri muhombe. So it was a bet. What? I was shakoma. Let's pray for Kim, honestly. A lot of comment section was saying wanguka, even if it's change without push album, even if it's that what if than to temper around with your wife, honestly, the mother of your child. What? In a catalogue Chelsea I muda. And Chelsea ndaito muda inini, but ninye kuti akazontora picture. Takangochila ndo zvakaita nisazomurore. What the shit? Pakaipa, guys, pakaipa. Yay! Can you imagine your husband atakutaura zvinhu zvakadai so pamberi peZimbabwe, pamberi pe the whole world, really? Just to get fame, just to get kuti vanhu vave vachimutsvaga, vava about him, vagofunga kuti who is Holy 10 and stuff like that. And I can tell you yesterday, even pakatira kuita ka video achitry kuti I was trying to do ABC, Kimberly was not happy. She wasn't happy. You could see from the background that she wasn't happy. And who is going to be happy? Munhu achikuti Ndakanyenga Volts, ndakunyenga because ndakuvhara Volts. Yeah, I don't see myself in 5 years with this girl. Maybe anengari a wife, but igari go the next house. What? Aiwa Holy 10 ngakutwa chokwadi apa akanganisa. Let me know, guys, in the comment section what you think. But Holy 10, whatever you did is not good to the mother of your child. Even kuna Chelsea, even kuna Holy 10, because vakadzi vane vana vako, and someone that talk kaita name maroro kaita muchato. Aiwa, grow up sha. Grow up. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment back, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section, okay?